Hi guys, so we're back again for another Canva video. This time I will be teaching you how to make your YouTube intro or your YouTube thumbnail as well. So that's already a bonus, but this time let us focus more on the YouTube intro video. I have a sample here wherein I always do my things in Canva. Like for example, this one, when I play that one, it automatically has its effects. But in order for you to do this one, you have also to like choose your font style, your branding perhaps. Like with me, I always use this one, font size 120, and the color, I put some effects. I like using glitch, or sometimes I use neon. It's up to my choices, but I like to use glitch. And then I just put my picture there and some effects. You can type here glittering video or any videos that would suit your effects, that would suit your taste. All right, since I like, everything's glittering, shining, shimmering, splendid. And I also put here what my vlogs are all about, since I'm into ESL, tutorial, lifestyle, and daily vlogs. So this is just how simple it is. You can also like change the timing into like a 10 seconds, but the effects will, no longer take place onto that 5 seconds, after the 5 seconds. Okay, so we'll replay it like that. All right, but if you don't like this is the animation that I chose. Here you can also use, this is the one that I chose, I think. Pan, yeah. If you want, you can also use like fade, or tumble. It's up to you and how you're going to do it. All right, but specifically, you can choose a picture or you can choose a font like this one. Okay, you can like choose that or choose this or burst. So there are lots of choices, guys. These are free subscription. You can always upgrade to pro if you can pay the price, right? Since we're more into the free right now, maybe next time, if I'm already subscribed, I can show you some of the upgraded or pro features of Canva. All right, so let's start with our blank example. All right, so you will type in YouTube intro. Okay, so this will give you like templates or choices of intro for your video. You can always have the paid one if you want to have the paid one, the pro if you're subscribed. So Canva, like I said in my previous videos, are very user friendly. You can always rely on Canva, especially for, like us, we're not mostly into like Adobe. We don't have Adobe subscriptions, so Canva is your friend to go. I'm not saying that you should not subscribe. It's always great to subscribe to Canva because nothing's free anymore. Okay, so this is just for a start. So let's choose. Let's see, for example, your forte or your niche is into like exotic street food. or you are a makeup vlogger, or let's say you are a dance vlogger, let's see. You can always change the color, guys. Like I said, you are free to use it. Just make sure you are using it the right way, or you are, okay, wait a minute, that's the sound. Or if I were you, you have to change the color scheme and stick with your own branding. I think that's better that way. Okay, so this has a music on it. All right, so let's begin. I think this is not a paid subscription, this is for free. So let's change the color. Like me, I like, shades of rose gold or blue. Oh, okay, I see. So we have the B76 color. B76. It doesn't give the right color. All right, so we can just choose any color that we want. Okay, let's say like this one. Let's choose colors that are here. Oh, purple, purplish. It could always go up and make it pink, or if you want like a neon purple, this is the matte one, and the neon purple like that, or the darker shade of purple. Okay, so you could always put there new dance steps every weekend. Okay, like I said, you don't have to copy everything. You must also have your own style coming soon. All right, so you have to put your title. If, for example, okay, let's say your YouTube title is, okay, your YouTube title is, not that one. Okay, let's say your YouTube title is Alex. Oh, it doesn't follow. I don't know, it's wrong. Oh, now I get it. There are two, like, okay, so we would type here Alex Roy, or it could say dance with Alex Roy. All right, so you could always adjust that according to your taste. I don't know why it became like that. There's supposed to be, all right, so let's detach that. Let's ungroup these people so that it'll be easier for you to move it, all right? So you can just do it like that. And then if you want to group it again, you can like, all right, so no, only these two. Oh, no. No, only these two. So you can like click the three dots there and then group. So that when you put a, what do you call this? When you put an effect, you can just like, oh, yes. Yeah, that one is great. Okay, so you can always just use any effects that you want. All right. So tumble is like a great choice. So let's make it bigger. Dance with Alex Ron. Okay, so regarding this one, you could always change this. I mean, you can change this effects elements like this one. You could always choose a better design if you want. Okay, let's say for example, shapes, floating. All right. So there are lots of, no, this is not the shape that we are looking for. All right, so we have here shapes. Okay, let's say for example, let's add in some stars. All right. Okay, stars right there. Hexagon over there. All right, so okay, so if you want to animate these things, you just have to click like that and then animate. You could choose from the choices here. Like I said, we have limited choices. So um if you have a subscription, it's better than the free one. All right, so let's see how it goes. You can remove this if you like, or you can always change it into like any color you want. You can always change the color. This one also, you can always animate that. You can crop that if you like. All right, so there's still some graphics here that you might need. Okay, let's put it backward. Oh, I keep on getting like things that are not supposed to. Okay, to back. Oh, all right, it's better. Okay, so I guess it's better that way. Oh, you see, I created a great intro. You can always change that into some animation if you like. Animated or animation. What's wrong? Oh, I did not say that there's a link to watch. Okay, so I was thinking about we will go to elements first, and then, okay. So you could always like add glitters and stuff. Okay, these are some of the choices that I made before. Okay, so you could always like type in here the keywords to make it come out like that. So there's still lots and lots of choices, guys. You don't have to stick to one particular type of design. Okay, but if you're good with that, then you're always good to go. All right, dance with Alex Roy. New dance steps every weekend coming soon. You could always remove this and create your own or upload your own video or your own design. It's up to you. I mean, sky is the limit when it comes to Canva. So I hope you already had an idea of how to create your YouTube intro. See, there are even faces here. You can use that and just give credits to Canva. I like this. All right. So perhaps we could make another for like other type of video, right? Other type of content. So I hope I made myself clear in making a YouTube video intro. And the next is we are going to, oh, all of the music here are in Pro, so you cannot just add any free audio from this editor. So what's here, if it's free, then it's already a plus. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope I gave you an idea on how to make a YouTube intro. Again, you can always download this one in MP4, MP4, and then you're good to go. Okay, comment down below if what are other things that you want me to do, tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.